Hey you guys, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily git clone a repository. This will work for GitHub, GitLab, or any other Git server. Okay, in order to get started, I'm going to assume you know how to use the command line, or at least the basics. And if you don't, I would go ahead and check out something like GitHub Desktop. Okay, so I have found this GitHub repository called the Book of Secret Knowledge on the trending repositories of GitHub, and I want to download it or clone it on my computer. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead to this green button and we're going to go ahead and get a URL. Okay, and this is the URL to clone it with HTTPS. If you are logged in and it is your own URL, it may look slightly different. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put this command in, and it will be the same command for everybody. Okay, so just type in git space clone and then the URL you are trying to clone. Okay, and think of the word clone as similar word as download. Okay, basically it will just download this repository. We hit enter, and now it's went ahead and downloaded the Book of Secret Knowledge on our computer. If we type in ls, you can see we have that folder now on our desktop. I'm going to cd into it. Okay, you can see that I'm now into it. If I list the files, you can see it's the same files right here. If I do ls-a, it will show me the hidden files, and boom, you can see the .git folder. For example, if we do git config-l, you can see the configuration options, and you can see the remote origin URL has been set already to this URL. Okay, so it's hooked up with this repository. Okay, so that, my friends, is how you easily git clone a repository on your computer. If you have any other questions, then make sure to leave them down below. If you want to find more information about git clone, you can go ahead and type in man git clone, and it will give you a bunch of different other options that you can use with the clone command. Okay, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo, where you can find the best hosting company promotions, where to get free trials, where to get free domains, and stuff like that. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.